What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a HART. I love saying that. All right, you guys, so all jokes aside, in this review we have a HART backpack sprayer. This is a 2-gallon backpack sprayer, and I bought this on clearance, you guys. Yes, I was in the clearance section. For a full charge you get 30 gallons of use. That is amazing. So once you charge this, you probably don't need to ever charge this again. So let's go ahead, check it out, and that will be it. We're gonna unbox this thing. This is pretty neat, you guys. I like this. I love the heart color. I love heart color, the Walt colors, and Ryobi colors, and Ego. I'm starting to love the Ego colors. Not starting to. I always like the Ego colors. So here goes the sprayer wand. It's clearance, so hopefully everything is in its place. Maybe it's an older model, last year model, and they're just trying to bring it out and get rid of it to bring the new stuff in. So you guys, I will suggest that you go to your local Walmart, go back in the outdoor section and see or ask an associate where is their clearance area at. All right, so with that being said, this don't even look like it has been used, so that is a plus. Y'all will see me use this very soon, like very soon. So here we go. We have 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put it on the top, maybe easier. All right, shot that down, pour it in. And that water turned blue quick. Wow, and this is heavy. Let's go. Yeah. All right, you guys. So I actually have the backpack on. How we looking? We looking good? Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, okay. Now y'all can see it. I have y'all all the way down. All right, so we have the backpack on. Everything is stabilized. If you want to, you could put the middle strap on if you want to. If you need to put the middle strap on, just to have extra, then you could, but I don't need it. So let's go. Oh yeah, well, I didn't put my goggles on, so make sure you wear some goggles. Let's go ahead. I want to actually see this stuff in action. So you can see the blue dye. Let me see if I can change the spread real quick. So that's all the way loose. Let me go all the way right. I'm just testing out. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, look at that. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Hold on, you guys. Sorry about that. I'm a hot mess. All right, you guys. So we are going to go ahead and finalize the review of this HART sprayer right here. I, for one, want to say that this is my first actual battery sprayer, you guys. So there is no real comparison I could do to like an expensive sprayer. Now you do get, I believe this is an extra nozzle head right here. You can make your adjustments on here, and I showed y'all that in the video, but I'm just showing y'all again. All right, so you could turn that all the way off. Well, take it all the way off and turn it all the way right. So as you know, righty is tighty. You can loosen this. So all this stuff is basically taking everything off, and you see this has a washer in it, and I'm getting blue dye everywhere. All right, so right here, so I'm gonna take it out the bag. I'm gonna show y'all this real quick. So as y'all can see, this little head right here, same as that. Then they have this nozzle right here. So this is a nozzle like that. So what I'm gonna do is put this washer in the back of here. Y'all seen this, and as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick so y'all can see the difference. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm going to hook up the battery. I'm going to put y'all over here so I can spray it out over here so y'all can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so we can check out the spray on this. Hopefully the wind is not blowing in my face. All right, so this is more of a mist. All right, so that's a mist on there, and I got that all the way to the left. All right, which is, well, not, my left is righty, so basically I got it all the way as like righty tighty, so it's all the way tight, and it's blowing out in the mist, so y'all can see that. That's a mist style right there. And if you want to know, that's the blue laser. Y'all see all that blue? All right, now I'm going to go to the left, which is lefty loosey. And then the more I go left, you'll see, you see it does a straight spray. So this is good if you have a bug killer, you want to spray the perimeter of your house. This would be good right there. So y'all see that? All right, now that's it with that. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the other one right now. You guys, that blue dye, y'all see how messy this stuff is. So I know I should have worn my gloves, but I didn't. So if y'all see my review with my hands blue, just know it happened after this. All right, so that's it with that right there. So we are going to put this other nozzle on to see if there's a difference. So I have to put this back on again, put that inside, make sure this head is out, put that washer in, because you definitely need your washer. And now we're going to screw on. Now let's see what this sprays out, or how this sprays out. Now I'm going to turn it back on, and y'all see that? Why would the wind blow my way? Okay, now, all right, so y'all, and then it came back to me. It always happened like that, right? So yeah, this is a good wide spray right here. I would use this for doing the weeds. All right, you guys, so it's definitely getting windy out here. I'm going to wrap up this HART review. Now, one thing I'm going to say is you can lock this. I said it in the video, but I'm just going to go over it again. Let me go ahead and turn this off because I don't want nothing to blow in my face. All right, so if you want to lock this, you simply just hold it down and push up. It actually has an arrow right there, so it has an up and down. If you want to unlock, you slide down and then let go. You want to lock, push down, push up. All right, and then it will lock, and you do not have to hurt your fingers, especially if you are elder. You have arthritis or something. That will be it. If y'all have any other questions or concerns about the HART backpack sprayer, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.